Here are the lesson 15 homework answers. Go ahead and check those. Gave the decimal version and fraction version of some of them. Remember that some of them are negative because of the quadrant that they're in. So you got to pay very specific attention to what quadrant you're in when you get your answers. So check those real quick, and I'm going to go over one of them. All right, so here is number 17 from the homework. I will gladly go over any other ones you need. Just email me, message me on Teams. We can go over whatever you need to go over. So here's number 17. We were told that the secant of some angle B is negative radical 5, and we're in quadrant 2, and we're asked to find the tangent of B. So which Pythagorean identity am I going to use? Well, I'm obviously going to use the one that has secant and tangent involved. And that is this one, 1 plus tan squared equals secant squared. All right, that's one of the three that were in the notes. So plugging into that formula, let's see what we got. We have 1 plus tan squared b equals negative radical 5 squared. So I've plugged the negative radical 5 in for secant, and I've squared it. So what happens when you square negative radical 5? Well, first of all, when you square a negative, it becomes positive. When you square a radical, they just undo each other. So it's just going to become 5, positive 5, because squaring a negative. So this just becomes a 5. So we have 1 plus tan squared b equals 5. You move the 1 over, and you get tan squared b equals 4. Square root both sides, and you get tan b equals 2. Technically, it's plus or minus 2, but you got to figure out whether it's positive or negative based on your quadrant. So we're in quadrant 2. That's the S quadrant. Sine is the only one positive in quadrant 2. This is a tangent question asking for tangent, so we're going to make that a negative 2. So the tangent of B is going to be negative 2. Like I said, if you need help with any others, just reach out to me. I can go over whatever you need.